Hi, my name is Prashant Thakur and this is the back-end implementation of the car sale website project under ICT 203 web application development. In this video, I will walk you through the database setup, seller registration and login, car addition and the search functionality. Everything is on top. You can see the navbar up here. Let's go with the database. I will take you throughout the code as well. So this is the code for my database, in which I have created a database named CarGoMarked here. um, in two tables. I have created two tables in my database, seller table and the car table. The seller table is stored seller ID, username, email and the password, whereas the car table stores seller ID as a foreign key, which link car with to the respective seller. And I can show you my database in my PHP login as well. So I can show you. So you can see that database up here. I have used PHP admin to create the database. This is the car, and I have already tried my this is the some of the data which has been stored, because I have tried some of the login in there. And this is the seller data, and this is the seller tables. Let's go back. Now the seller registration. So this is the registration PHP page. I will take you to the code as well. So this is the code for my registration PHP. Also, so this is the code for my registration PHP. This includes the form where the new seller can include their username, email and the password. Client side validation is handled using JavaScript, and the submission PHP script stored data into the database using connection.php. So everything that I fill in up here will be stored in the database using this connection.php, where I have connected my registration PHP with the I have included the connection.php in my registration PHP. As acknowledged message confirm successful registration. As once you have done everything, it will acknowledge with seller's registration successfully. So let's try. We'll take you through this. So admin ms admin@gmail.com. Password will be admin123. I'll press registered. You can see it comes up with the registration successful. Now let's go to the login functionality. So next is login PHP up in the code, and this is the login functionality. There we go. This page allows registered seller to log in using their username and password. If login is successful, they will redirect the seller into the 8-car PHP. The password is checked using PHP code and the connection PHP. If the credentials are wrong, an error message will be displayed. So since we have registered as the name of the admin PHP, I'll first show you how I'll use the wrong password, and I'll show you how it gives me the error message. So for example, I'll use my admin and something else as a password, then it gives me invalid password. Now let's try with that password and username that we have registered with. In 123. There we go. So once you are done with that, it will take you straight to the add car page. Without login, you cannot add any car in here. Second one will be add car PHP. So this is the add car PHP. Once you are logged into there, it will take you to the add car PHP, and this is my code for the add car PHP. So once login as a seller land add car PHP, they can add the new car by entering the details like name, model, location, price and the description, which will be inserted in the car tables in the database. Let's add the car. So let's try BMW. I'll put the location as Paramera, ATT And price, let's put 8,000, and description, new car with 1200 odometer read, and we'll submit it. The car is added successfully. So once you submit it, it will says car is added successfully. Once it's done, now we'll go to the search page and see if the car is added or not. So buyer can use search PHP page. I'll take you to the search PHP page now. Sorry, continue. Let's go to the file again. CarGoMarked. So let's go to the search PHP. So this is the search PHP. Once you add the car, you can use this page to search for the car you are looking for. um, this will, so in the search PHP, what exactly happens is like it will check. So this is the connection. So what it will do is like it will take the credentials from the user, and it will check to the from the database, like if the so it will check from the database if the if there is any name models and the location, and take that detail from the database and gives you the result. For example, let's check the BMW that I have recently posted, and parameter, right? So once you press search, it will give you the, see, there we go. So this is the car which we have added in our in our add car details. In summary, I'll successfully implemented all the backgrounds up here, backgrounds code in my code section as well. This is the index, about, login PHP, registration PHP, add car PHP, and this is my database file. Yeah, that's all for my video, and thank you. And I'll also just to confirm, so since I have shown you, see, so as I have told you, like once you put the detail of the card, it will add it to the database in the car. So if you remember, this is the BMW car, parameter 8000, and see, it's been stored in the car table in the my database, in my car database. And the seller, you can see the password is encrypted. It's because I have used this function called has password, so which has password. So what it does is like it encrypt the password. You cannot exactly see what password I've used. You can just see the encrypted form of password. It will stored as an encrypted form of password. So if somehow someone get the access to my database, still they can't read my password. Thank you so much for watching.